핑크의 물. 완전.
Hello and welcome on board.
딱 저 말포이잖아.
Now, whether you arrived at Watford Junction.
바람도 많이 불지만. 너무 가슴 뛰게 만드는 이. 우와, 일본.
15 minutes after they knew they got the part, being photographed, and those photographed were going to be beamed around the world.
That will open automatically in just under 2 minutes when they do open our tour. Thank you very much.
Over 400 floating candles that we have above our heads that have been rigged in a very similar way as to how they would have been done during early production filming. The storms that we see in the Great Wall ceiling. I'd like to reassure you they're not lit like they were during those early days. They're actually LEDs that are set up by our special effects supervisor John Richardson and his team specifically for the tour. Everyone in Hermione will have done. You've made your way through those Great Wall doors. You've worked your way. Going to be stuck in your heads all day. Here we have the original costumes of the Frog Choir students. It may surprise you to know that they're not made using CGI, they're actually made using real materials. The material is rather heavy. So unfortunately, while singing along to the song. But we get around this by having our creatures department.
We didn't just want to let her just make those. Luna would have this. It's definitely like a shape of a tree. We've even got tinsel. Now going from Luna.
Steps away from Hackathon. In fact,
Oh, don't try one of them. Oh, no.
Places in holes, so that the gathering around the hearth are all adding to this illusion.
Shall I take a picture of you?
It's just video, basically.
Go ahead.
Let's go.
You take a picture of us. Okay?
민망하네요. 부드러운데? 여기가 여기는 강아지. 아, 여기였어? 이거 진짜 킹스 크로스랑 비슷하다. 저 호그와트 가요. 호그와트 CCTV. 오, 대박. 너무 좋아. 마법사의 그 젤리잖아. 간식 박스.
너무 맛있어.
오, 거품 봐. 오씨 안 뽑히네. 아 이거 아닌가?
You're more likely to time your compass and just how much. Incredibly realistic. It's still done animatronic head. It has real hair, but it has
It's amazing ride down to the bottom. One of the briefs we had was to make it literally like a roller coaster ride. It needed to.
Maxine was that a bit larger.